guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with an unboxing video. I got a new Louis Vuitton purse and I am beyond excited to share it with you guys. So let me tell a quick little story about this. So I've been eyeing this purse for quite a while, and just recently I found out that you can purchase Louis Vuitton through Nordstrom. I think there's like 2 stores in the whole United States that has a Louis Vuitton inside Nordstrom. And if you guys join the Nordy Club card, which is part of Nordstrom, you guys get points back, which basically turns into like gift cards. And I am like so new at this, you guys, that I just wanted to share it with you guys. I'm sure a lot of you probably already know, but I was like clueless about this. And when I saw the 2 gift cards that I got back, I was like, what? Like, I did not know. So I ended up getting like 2 gift cards and I ended up saving like $120, which is like huge, you guys, especially if you're making like a huge purchase. You know, Louis Vuitton never goes on sale. So that being said, it's like amazing to get cash back that way. So I'm not affiliated with Nordstrom or in any way, but I did want to share that with you guys and maybe help you in case you didn't know, like me. Also, before I get started, I wanted to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. My name is Fabiola and I like to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos here on YouTube. And I also have a blog, FABIOLAGBeauty.com. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button and also click on the like button if you guys enjoy this video. So let's go ahead and move on to the unboxing. So my purse comes in this yellow mustard box and it has this royal blue ribbon with the Louis Vuitton logo all over it. I really like how they packaged it. I'm very excited. This is actually the first time that I actually see it in person. So I am very excited, you guys. So here it is. It's right in here. And this is the purse that I got. This is actually the first time that I ever get anything in this color and print. So here it is, you guys. I got this gorgeous purse. I am like in love with it, you guys. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I am beyond excited, you guys. Let me tell you the exact name on this one. They actually put it in here. It's called the Croisette DAMIER AZUR print. And it's so pretty, you guys. This looks amazing. It's going to be perfect for like the spring, the summer, even for the winter time. I like to wear a lot of light colored clothing, and that's why I was kind of debating on which one to get. I wanted to get one that had like a pink flap, but I decided to go with this one because this is more versatile. You can really style it in so many different ways. So it looks like this, and it's so pretty, you guys. It has this adorable tassel that says Louis Vuitton on it. It does have this little handle, which I also liked because you can carry it in multiple ways. You can carry it like, you know, just a handbag. And let's see, how do you open this? Oh, okay, it opens like this. And look at the beautiful inside. It is all pink. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love it. It is beautiful inside. And you do get a strap to go with it. The strap is not adjustable, so it is only one length. Inside, you guys, is stunning. This is the inside. It's all this like beautiful rose Valerine color, and it does have this like little pouch in here. And then there's, what is it? Oh, it's like the little tags, and then the Louis Vuitton. And then the date code on this one. Oh, okay, so the date code on this one is inside the little compartment right here. And I like it that it actually has a separate compartment because you can put your cell phone in here without it getting lost inside. And it is actually pretty spacious, you guys. It is gorgeous. I am gonna say that I'm not a huge fan of the way the bag closes, just because it is hard to close. So to open, you just kind of push this and it snaps open very easily, but to close it, you see this little metal part right here, you have to really line it up with the one that is down here, and then once it's lined up, you have to like press it down. You know what I mean? It's not just like a magnetic closure, which I really wish it was. And it does have this like little plastic, protective plastic like around the gold hardware, which I think I'm gonna leave on just to like protect it and make it more, you know, keep it more shiny for a longer time. But it is beautiful. As you guys can see here, it has like the Louis Vuitton logo throughout like the bag, like right here. But I like the shape of it, and it looks like it's going to stand quite nicely. It also has this like cute little detail like right on the two sides right here. The back is also very, very pretty, and it looks like it's all lined up correctly, which is also something that I look forward to in a purse. So let's see what else is in there. Oh yeah, so it does have, I forgot to mention, so it comes with like the dust bag, and then it also has the Louis Vuitton receipt. All their receipts come in an envelope like this, and then like the sales receipt and stuff. So yeah, let me go ahead and put on the strap to see how it looks. This is so pretty, you guys. I am so happy. And another reason why I decided to get this one is because I also have the strap from the Neo Noe, which is in the Rose Poudre, and I thought it would go beautiful with this handbag. So it looks like this. Let me go ahead and try it on and style it for you guys so you can see how it looks once I have the crossbody strap. So here it is with the strap. Once I put it on, it falls down right like below my hip area, and I actually like how it looks like this. It looks so pretty, you guys. Super pretty. You can also wear it as a crossbody, and that would even go higher if you prefer. This also looks so beautiful. I am 5'6" for reference, so it will look like this. Very cute, you guys. You can also take off the straps like that, and then just wear it in the crook of your arm like so. So that was it, you guys, for my unboxing on this beautiful purse. I am in love with it. I am just beyond happy that I chose this print. I think this print is going to go perfect with like so many of my outfits. Very versatile. It is so cute because it's not too small, you know, but it's also big enough to carry all my essentials. So I'll also be leaving a blog post with more detailed pictures and different ways of styling this beauty. Make sure you follow me on my blog, Fabiolag Beauty, and also on my Instagram. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.